If your hot water isn't working properly, it may be time to replace your gas water heater. To remove your existing heater, turn off the water and gas supply lines. Turn on the hot water faucet to allow air into the system, then drain the tank with a garden hose. Next, disconnect the pipes and remove the water heater. Have someone assist you with the removal and setup of the new heater. When setting the new gas heater in place, allow about 6 inches of space around it for ventilation. You'll proceed with connecting the water and gas supply lines and detaching the exhaust from the flue hat. Install the heat trap fittings and reconnect the water and gas supply lines. It's a good idea to test the gas line for leaks before you light the pilot and turn the heater on. Be sure to follow the guidelines of your manufacturer when performing this project. Also, check your manual for the necessary tools. Depending on the type of pipes you have, galvanized or copper, the tools will vary. It typically takes a couple hours to complete this project if you don't come across any issues such as gas leaks. Consult a professional for the installation if you're uncomfortable performing this job on your own. For more detailed information on this and many other popular projects, check out the DIY projects and ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.